Hi, I'm Tiekka. Welcome to Everyday Ballet, where we bring authentic classical ballet principles, training, and style to everyday life. No matter your age, your body type, or whether or not you have any ballet experience, I'm here to show you all about this gorgeous art form and how to bring ballet's grace and power to your life. In this video, we have a gorgeous plie exercise. Now, if you haven't already seen my videos, how to do the 5 positions of ballet and how to plie, you're definitely going to want to check those out before doing this exercise. And if you like this video and find it helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, share, and especially set your notifications so you won't miss any of my ballet training. I'm so delighted you're here. Let's ballet. In this plie exercise, we have a delightful Chopin piece that really just has this kind of swell of notes and just beauty. It just wells up. So really allow yourself to enjoy that piece of it and try to use the way you feel this music as part of your movements. This is one of the most beautiful things about ballet, is that we're really creating that marriage between our bodies and our emotions. So as we do our knee bends here, just really think about generosity. I know that sounds funny to think about generosity when you're doing a plie, but I like to send a little generous feeling to my heels so that they're beautifully planted and I can start to feel that little calf stretch. Another place we can think about generosity is how we use our core and how we are not stingy with that beautiful lift and elevation through the spine. So especially when we do our grand plie, you really want to feel like you leave your head on the ceiling with that smooth bend of the knees. And most of all, enjoy this music, kind of ride this wave, and try to begin your feeling of flowing. That is one of the most special things about ballet, is that we really can get into that zone of flowing in our own bodies. So with that, please enjoy plie. Standing in first position, lifting the fingertips and opening wide. Light touch, 2 demis. Bend, generous heels, press the floor away, bend, open. Now let the head float up to the ceiling, smooth knees, and repeat grand plie. Replace, open, hugging into the core, sweeping forward any amount. Pointing second, 2 demis, generous heels, wide knees, generous posture, grand plie right here. Push the floor away and repeat grand plie, reaching out, hugging in. Wide knees and hugging in at the core, sweeping up and over. And now we point the toe in front of the nose, drop the heel, 4th position. Equal weight here. Keep those knees turning out, bend and reach. And now tip the heart to the sky and point the toe. Join the feet in 5th position. Bend and stand. Very tender feeling. Let the head float up to the ceiling. Replace those heels. And now hug into the core, sweeping forward. Recover the spine. And standing down through the feet, arc the sternum. Open. And from the side, up. And sweep the arm forward, draw the feet nice and tight like you've been sucked through a straw. Now hugging at the core, touch the top corner, and bring the arms down and first position. And now take a moment to switch to the other side. Hugging in, heels together, Lift the fingertips up and open the chest. 2 demis. Generous heels. Just enjoying that cascade of notes. Head floating up to the ceiling. Replace. And once again, Grand Plié. Don't you just love Chopin? Open. Sweeping forward. Open. Second position. Heels down. And demi. Open. Now Grand Plié. Remember the heels are down here, knees are wide. Tall spine. Open. Repeat Grand Plié. Don't be afraid to just drop into your body and feel those emotions sweeping up and over. And point in front of the nose. Drop the heel. Now, equal weight on both feet. Still turning out the knees. Bend and reach and tip the heart to the sky. And point, cross, and bend. So the body's just coming into itself. And we're just riding the wave of notes. Replace those heels and lifting through the core to bend forward. Recover. Standing down through the feet, arc. Open. And from the side, over. Sweep the arm down. Draw the feet nice and tight. Shine the heart. Try to feel that 2 inches below the navel. Take your bar and a little demi-plié to stand. Gorgeous work. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and set your notifications. I'd love to see you again and share more ballet with you. And if you're looking for a structured ballet program that you can do on your own, at home, any old time, please check out my ballerina body programs at everydayballet.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, happy dancing.